Tell me if you've seen this before. Demand is being met. Programs are running. Yet, behind the scenes, reschedules, rushed handoffs, and team fatigue are becoming the norm. Now, those aren't one-off headaches. They're clear indicators that your team's capacity has been exceeded. And when that happens, quality, consistency, and your people are the first to suffer. So if this sounds familiar, that's exactly why we're inviting you to our webinar, When Scaling Hurts, Why L&D Teams Burn Out, and How to Fix It. It's built for L&D leaders who need a clear way to see where capacity strain is building and how to relieve it before something breaks. In the session, you'll see how capacity strain forms across design, delivery, and operations, how to read the early signals, and where to relieve pressure without compromising learner outcomes. You can register using the link right below. Both the webinar registration and the Capacity Scorecard are right there. Take the scorecard before the session and bring your results so that we can help you see exactly where your L&D team stands and what to do next. Share this with one leader who needs that reality check.